Let's talk regular expressions in Python. Match does not identify the word meow in homeowner, it only searches in the front. But search is successful in finding it at index 2. This pattern finds a word with one or more alphanumeric characters up to 2 Cs and 0 or more alphanumeric characters. So it finds the word Occam. It stops at the apostrophe. And this one helps us identify email addresses. One or more alphanumeric characters, periods or spaces, or a combination of those, then the @ symbol, then a period, and then one or more alphanumeric characters. So this gives us info@dataflair.training. Let's do some problems on regular expressions. Is float. Write a function that checks whether a number input to it is a floating point number. Let's import the match function from the RE module. This function matches this pattern to the string of item. The pattern can start with a plus or a minus, 0 or more digits, a period, and ends with 0 or more digits. Minus 0.0 is a float. 2 is not. 2.4 is. Removing comments. Write a function that takes in HTML code and removes any comments from it. This function takes in some HTML code as a string. The pattern is opening angular bracket, an exclamation mark, 2 hyphens, 0 or more characters, the question mark makes it non-greedy, then 2 hyphens, and then a closing angular bracket. It replaces any instances of this with an empty string. Let's remove the comment from this code, and there you have it.